visible. Yes, yes. So, how
So,
are you?
yeah, I'm good. What about you?
I am also very good. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, so this is our first conversation, so please introduce yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. First of all, you give me this opportunity to connect with you. So, thank you very much. I am Mrs. Meena. I have done my graduation long time ago. I have two kids, and yes, I am living in a nuclear family. My family is nuclear family. We are living four-person: me, my husband, and my two kids. And yes, if you're talking about my hobby, I love cooking and traveling as well. So I am calling from Mumbai city, which is located in Maharashtra. So and yes, just last few weeks before ago, I started my journey with YouTube. So, like this conversation video and grammar and English content, I just upload there on my YouTube channel. So, yes, this is all about me.
That's great. Okay,
Thank you.
so can I introduce myself?
Yes, ma'am. Please, please, please.
I'm Kalpana. I'm from UP, and if I talk about my qualification, I have done my Master of Art in English and B.Ed. And if I talk about my hobbies are singing, dancing, listening music, and reading books which is related in English. And at this time, learning this language is my hobby.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So that's
Same,
all
same,
about me.
same. This time, I am also very passionate to learn this language, actually.
Yeah. And this is the best platform to improve our speaking skills.
That's true, ma'am. That's true. And
Yeah.
we can interact each other and we can give knowledge each other. And that's why we do the practice and we make perfect ourselves little
Yes.
bit little.
We have no surrounding. If we have no surrounding, then it is a good way to improve our speaking skills.
Yes, ma'am. That's true. That's true. Yes. So, would you like to discuss any topic on any topic?
Yeah, I have no topic, but yeah, we can talk about why should we punctual in our
Punctual.
life?
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Very nice topic, ma'am. Seriously, it's very nice topic. Actually, we are Indian. We are not punctual. So that's why this is very needful and important topic for us because
Yes,
time is important and time, we can say time is a money, isn't it?
yes,
That's yes. So that's why punctual. If you are punctual, if you are doing everything in at that moment and on time, so you will go long. You can you can achieve your destination, your
yes, yes,
goal.
yes,
That journey will go smoothly, and that journey will go very successfully.
yes. Yeah, if we are punctual, then we can do, and then we can do anything, then we can learn anything, and we can get success.
That's true.
Yeah. So, and if we do not, if we are not punctual, that time we can't get achievements, we can't get our goal because
That's
of
true.
lack of punctuality.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So, and if we talk about our speaking journey, spoken journey, then if we do not practice daily, if we do not punctual about our learning this language, then we can't. we would not be able to speak in English fluently.
That's true, ma'am.
Yeah,
Indeed.
and yeah, if we do any kind of work, then we should be punctual in our work.
Yeah.
We should do our work, be on time, then
Yes,
we
that's
can
true.
manage all these things properly.
That's true, ma'am. And second thing is, if you are punctual, then your time will be saved, and
Yes,
it will be punctual means you are very what we can say. Other person also you are saving the time, and your time also you are saving. It's a very
yes,
beneficial in future.
yes. We are
Okay, no problem. Okay. So
okay.
if you are punctual, that time it means you are very um, saving all things. Not only
Yes, yes,
time, you can say your money, you can say your energy, isn't it?
yes,
It's a it's a punctual teach us discipline life.
yes. Discipline life. Yeah, we still can save time and we can manage all these things properly. We can do anything on time, and
Yes.
this is a very good habit, and everyone should develop this habit. Uh, Without this habit, we can't get and we can't do anything
Yes, yes.
properly. We can
Actually,
do proper way, in a good way.
without if yes, yes. If we develop like these habits, so then we can achieve everything
Yes,
at on time, isn't it? Then we can take decisions as well,
yes, yes,
good decisions if you are punctual. And another person, if you want to go 12 o'clock anywhere, and you give that another, you want to meet some person, that one person 12 o'clock, and that time that person give you 12 o'clock, okay, I will reach there. And if you did not reach there, but after half an hour, that person have to go another place, and that work where he will go to the another place, that at that place, at that work, it's very important for him. So if you cannot go reach that 12 o'clock, then he will not meet with you. And with if you want to any discussion, any notice, anything you want
yes,
from that person, other you want to give that person, that thing will not happen.
yes, and great.
And point that person opinion will be wrong
Yes.
with
And if we
that
go for
person.
a job, for an interview, and if we do not reach
Yeah,
there,
yeah, you
uh,
missed that time, you missed that
yes,
job,
then
you
we
missed
miss
that
that opportunity.
yes, 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 opportunity missed. Yes, yes, that's true, ma'am, that's true. Yes. In fact, if there was any program, any celebrity will come there, and that time that celebrity not come at that on time. So lots of people very feel nervous about that thing.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so
And
okay,
the second thing is, if punctuation. Hello.
punctual. Yes,
If you are not punctual, that it means not only to meeting with meeting. If you are get up early in the morning, same time, so you automatically you get up without any alarm.
yeah,
It means
yes,
nature also very punctual. So why should not we are punctual?
Yeah, you're right. And if we do not virtual, then how to teach our kids?
Yes, yes, yes. That's true. That's true. Because always idle person.
Kids always imitate our parents.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why. That's why they
Yeah,
always look at
we
their
try.
parents, and they learn from their parents lots of things, because lots of time they are in house. So yes, that
Yeah,
is important thing.
yeah. Okay. So, any question? Have you?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Yes.
ma'am. Please, please, please. Go ahead.
uh, You can ask any question if you want to.
Yes, ma'am. Why not? Today's our topic is punctual. Okay, so time is we have to reach there anywhere to the on time. So, did you have any memory that time you did not reach there that on time, and that your thing missed from there, and that is very important for you, that time and that thing.
Yeah, this thing happens in my spoken English journey, not
Oh.
and yes, yeah. Once I messaged one person, one lady, and then at that time I could not available for her because of some work. So she till now she never text me.
Oh God, seriously?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
because she is very punctual, and
okay, okay,
that's
okay.
why. Only one time I could not available, but she never text me again.
Oh my God. Yes, yes. Because she saved the time, that save her time for you only. And maybe in that time she want to do something, and that is more important. But she gave important to you, and that's why she did like this, maybe.
Yes, yeah. Okay, so should nice talk to you, and should we wind up this session?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.